Howdy folks, here today to take a look at balancer shop results in Hunter Network. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Hunter Network, www.hunternetwork.com, and get logged in. So you have a username and a password, same information that you may have set up on a machine or have created for the store and linked their different pieces of equipment, aligner, inspection, balancer, you name it. This is a demo account here for us to take a look at. We're going to go ahead and get started. So we'll log in, it'll take you to the web specs page, and you'll see balancer shop results. If you've logged in with a balancer or a store account that has a balancer linked, go ahead and click that. If you don't have a balancer link, then this tab will not appear. First page it takes us in balancer shop results is the trends page. The default is going to be this month. I'll go ahead and flip it to this past year so we can see what it looks like over time. So the first section we have here is the number of balances, and it shows it visually by month. And so total number of assemblies, spins, smart weight, and non-smart weight. So this particular shop, this balancer, is doing a great job making sure that they smart weight every assembly. They get a better balance with less weight. Next we have road force balances. If I made that investment in a road force balancer, I want to make sure I'm dropping the load roller every single time. So we see here total number of road force spins, even straight track spins that they've done, and average spins per month. And it even tells you the total number of spins compared to spins that had road force. So this shop is making sure they drop the roller 62% of the time. And you can see that trend line here. Next we have why do I road force? Your road force distribution. So this particular shop, the average road force that they see of every assembly that they road force is 17 pounds. Which for some vehicles, especially if it's on the front, you could certainly feel. And it even shows you visually the distribution. You certainly have assemblies that are over 50 pounds. This even tells over 35 pounds is 6%. So to ensure you're preventing comebacks, use road force every time. Smart weight savings. This is great as a Hunter sales rep to help show a customer why the Hunter product is superior to anything on the market. They're getting a better ROI, they're saving weight, getting a better balance. We also have down here the rim diameters so they can see what type of wheels that are coming through their shop, as well as assembly diameters as well. So now we're going to go and move to details. This next page is more of a service-oriented screen. Again, as it says, it's a detailed page. So it'll tell you the total number of spins, it'll tell you machine reboots, inflation uses, wheel slips. Could be a way to help detect a problem remotely if you're a service rep and you get a call when you're on the road. Tells you how often they're cleaning the spindle using the road force software. Certainly they could clean it without using that. That would not appear there. It also tells you the weight that the machine is using, the weight that's being called for by clip or tape and percent. So shop, when they're deciding what weights to purchase, this is a great way to help track that and buy exactly what weight they need for the assemblies that are coming through their door. Next we have the results tab, and this is actually a live assembly by assembly feed of what's happening in the shop. So today is October 18th, 2018, and we can take a look at the last assembly they did. It looks like they used a tape weight and the road force value was 10.5. And then of course we have our balance spin. Okay. If I go to another spin here, machine called for the weight. We have our road force value. For one reason or the other, maybe the technician didn't apply the weight correctly. When we did the check spin, it called for some additional weight, and then they had that nailed, okay, on the following spin. You could perhaps pinpoint a technician issue using this screen if you see a series of chasing weights, or possibly a machine issue if it's out of calibration, weight stuck under the machine, you name it. So, balancer shop results, a wealth of information and data available to you just by connecting the machines. You can go online and see how to do that. All this data available at your fingertips. Another reason why to invest in Hunter technology. Thank you very much.